A long time ago in China, there were 3 old monks. We don't know their names because they never told anyone. People just called them the 3 laughing monks. These monks always traveled together, and guess what they did? They laughed. When they reached a village or town, they stood in the main square and started laughing. And you know what happened? The people living there and those passing by couldn't help but start laughing too. Soon, a small crowd was laughing, and the laughter spread throughout the whole village or town. These monks didn't talk to anyone. Their laughter was like their way of praying and teaching. They did this all over China. People loved and respected them because no one had seen such spiritual teachers before. It seemed like they wanted everyone to see life as a big chance to laugh, like they knew some kind of cosmic joke. For many years, they traveled, spreading joy and happiness. But one day, while they were in a village in the North Province, one of the monks died. People were shocked and came running from everywhere to see what the other 2 monks would do. They thought the monks would be sad or cry. But guess what? The 2 monks started laughing even harder. Some people couldn't believe it and asked why they weren't sad about their friend. The monks explained that the day before, on their way to the village, their friend bet on who would die first among them. And he won. He even had a special request in his will. Usually, when someone dies, you wash them, change their clothes, and then put them on a funeral pyre. But this monk asked to keep his old clothes because he had never been dirty a single day. He said he never let the world's dirt reach him through his laughter. So, they put the old monk's body on the pyre with the clothes he wore when he arrived. When they lit the fire, everyone was amazed. Fireworks of 100 colors exploded everywhere. The people joined in the laughter of the 2 remaining monks. It made them think that maybe the reason we're here on earth is to laugh and keep experiencing joy. So, when you have a problem, just look in the mirror and laugh it away because your joy is what keeps you alive. Thanks for watching, stay blessed.